Yesterday, my channel hit 20,000 subscribers, which I'm absolutely stoked about. Paige even made me a 20k cake, lime and fig raw slice. It was absolutely delicious. Recipes on her Instagram if you want to check that out. But I just wanted to make this video to say a massive thank you to everyone in this community that has made this possible. It's actually a dream of mine to be able to run this YouTube channel and my TikTok pretty much as a full-time job now. I am doing 2 days a week content creation for Bilson's Brewery on their TikTok account, which is supplementing everything I'm doing here. But when we bought the Model 3, I did joke to Paige saying that, I could make enough money on YouTube to be able to pay back the cost of the Model 3. And now, this account alone, just from the ad revenue, is bringing in about $500 a month, which is just insane because this to me is like a hobby. I love making videos and I love connecting with the community and all of you guys watching. So this 20K milestone is just a real mind trip. Also, let me know if you noticed any ads at the start of this video, because for this time I actually selected no monetization for this particular video, but I've heard that YouTube is still showing ads on some of these. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you've seen an ad on this video. I've also been pondering the idea of starting a Patreon account or some sort of subscription service for more exclusive content, more behind the scenes. Let me know what you think about that. We still haven't sold the Model 3 yet, which is kind of crazy. There's a lot of 3s listed online for sale at the moment just because of the arrival of the Model Y. I've had a lot of dealers call me and offer prices between 65 and 68. There's a few private buyers that have reached out, but they're not really shown enough interest to want to pursue it any further. Tesla actually called me in regards to the Model Y, wanting to see if I was going to trade in my Model 3 with them. So there's been a lot happening, but I think the likely scenario is that we will hopefully sell it to either a dealer for that 68K mark, or someone privately will come and make an offer on the car. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated, but it's looking like we'll be able to pick up the Tesla, in that last week of August, hopefully from the Mulgrave Delivery Center. So cannot wait for that day. Anyway, just a quick video to say a massive thank you to everyone for the support, and welcome to all the new subscribers that have joined me recently, and got a lot of fun videos coming up. So can't wait to share them with you, and I'll catch you guys soon in the next one.